Like these two combos, I have just hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry. So today video is basically about a monthly favorite. So I'm gonna be doing like a May monthly favorites, the things I've been loving in the month of May. So I have quite few things related to makeup, skincare, and yeah, फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही है. So I have been planning to do this monthly favorites from quite a long time, but I don't know why I have never ended up doing this. So yep, now it's a beginning of it, and I'm thinking and I'm planning to do it every month. Like I just wanted to stick it up. So yep, let's just get started with today's video. So first thing I've been loving in the month of May is related to hair care. So this is the Livon hair serum. If you know about this serum, of course you know about this serum. So it's a Livon shake and spray serum. Okay, so it have like a pump here, you know, you can just spray it off like this, and yep, you're good to go. And I have applied it on my hairs right now. If you can see, of course you cannot see, but yep, I have applied it, and the smell is also amazing. I like it. I like the fragrance. I like the way it, you know, stays on my hair and just really makes my hair softer. So yeah, it's a good serum, I can say, and it's also a budget friendly, so you can just go for this. You can go this and purchase from Nykaa, Amazon, Purple, like Flipkart, हर जगह पे available है, so you can just go and check it out. And this serum is not only for girls, even boys can use this. So yes, you can just go for this serum. It's a good serum. So talking about skincare, here we have is this Hip Hop strips. It's a charcoal nose strips, a cleansing charcoal nose strips. And what you have to do is you have to just apply it all over your nose. Okay, so talking about like blackheads, we all go through it, like blackheads and whiteheads, we all go through it. And of course this one also is not for only girls, boys can use it, because even boys go through this like blackheads and whiteheads sort of thing. So yeah, I thought like let's share this, and even I love this because I use this and it really helped me to, you know, remove my whiteheads and blackheads. Of course not in a one single time, but if you will use it like continuously, not continuously, like 1 or 2 weeks के gap में if you will use it, then it will really give you a subtle like a good result. So I think you should go for it. And according to my experience, from inside this is how it look like. It just comes in this kind of a packaging, and so what you have to do is यहाँ पे instructions clearly लिखे हुए हैं. If you are like, you know, looking for instructions and all, just go and check it out at the back. Okay, so first step is wet it. Okay, so firstly you have to wet your nose also from here, like little bit आपको अपना nose wash करना है, like थोड़ा सा पानी होना चाहिए, and wet this also, like this stripe. Then second step is peel it. It means the stripe away from the transparent liner, because there is like a stripe, you have to just peel it off, and after that only you can just apply it. So third step is paste it. So you have to just apply it on your nose, like यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक ऐसे in a horizontal way, and then you have to pull it off after 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes you have to pull it off. You can also keep it like for 15 minutes if you want. Basically I remove it like 12 to 20 minutes में मैं निकाल देती हूँ. So it just gave me quite good result. सारे blackheads and whiteheads वो नहीं निकालता है for sure, but yeah, it just remove as much as it can. So yep, I just wanted to say it's a good strip for removing like blackheads, whiteheads and oil and dirt. So yep, you can just go for it. So next is this sunscreen. It's from Biotic, and this is how it look like. So basically it's a Ayurveda sunscreen. It's a bio sandalwood 50 plus SPF UVA UVB sunscreen ultra soothing face lotion, and it's for all skin types. So if you are with any skin type, you can just go for it, because this is for all skin types, and it's Ayurvedic of course, so you can just go for it. So yes, it is a good sunscreen. Again, a man and woman, both of them can use it, and you have to apply this sunscreen before 20 minutes you step out from your house, because sunscreen needs a time to absorb into your skin. It just needs like a 20 minutes. So yep, it's a good sunscreen. You're good to go. Next thing I've been loving is this scrub. It's a Blue Nectar face scrub. If you know, I have talked many times, not many times, but like एक दो बार तो मैंने इसके बारे में बात की बिकॉज इट्स अ गुड स्क्रब. आई यूज दिस स्क्रब. It's really good. The smell is also good. This is how it look like from inside. It's a Kumkumadi brightening and radiance face scrub. So I use this face scrub once in a week and it's really good face scrub. You can just go for it. Next, talking about the fragrance. Recently I've been loving is this Nivea roll-on. It's a Nivea whitening smooth skin roll-on. It just gives 48-hour protection. 0% alcohol, mulethi extracts, even to an underarm. So I've been liking this. The smell is also good and you can just go for it. It's too small, like you can just take it anywhere. It's pocket friendly. Just open it up and this is how it looks like from inside. You have to just apply and yep, you're good to go. So yes, it's a good for, you know, like a smelling purpose. If you like you are so conscious about your underarm smell, you can just go for it. It's a good roll on. So yeah, and talking about the pricing, it's of 99. Okay, so you'll just get a discount maybe of 5 to 10 rupees. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा, but still like 90 rupees में it's okay-ish. I have made it a Nykaa haul. In that I have mentioned the actual price of it, like मुझे कितने में retail हुआ था. You can just go and check it out there. I'm gonna link that video link in my description box. So next is this pocket perfume. It's an Engage pocket perfume and this is how it look like, and it's in the fragrance Sweet Blossom. And if you can see, this is so small, and as the perfume says, it's a pocket perfume. You can carry this anywhere, at your purse, at your pockets, at your bags, whatever. So you can just carry this and you can just apply. Talking about the fragrance, I am in love with it. The fragrance is really good. It's so attractive. I say you, I have applied this perfume and 2 or 3 people have asked me about the fragrance, like which perfume is this. So can you imagine how good and attractive the smell is? I really like the smell of this perfume. You can just go for it, like simply you can just go for it, trust me. And this is so like budget friendly. It's of just ₹60 and according to price it's really worth it. इसमें बड़ा bottle नहीं मिलता है, I don't know why. So this is only the variant you will get in the small pocket perfume. So yeah, ठीक है, small मिलता है तो वही सही. I just like it. Okay, so next we're gonna talk about some makeup products. So first we have is this blush from Sugar, and this is how it look like. I'm in the shade 01 Peach Pick, and this is how it look like from inside. I've just applied this blush on my face. If you can see the texture already, this is so good. The blush is really good, I can say. Pigmented hair of course, and really good. It's a good blush. So next is this lip liner pencil, and this is how it look like. It's from My Glam. So basically it's in the shade VSCO, okay, and the color it's look like this. It's a maroonish kind of a shade. If you can see, it's look like this. And okay, so I have just applied this lip liner on my lips, and this is really, I mean, so pigmented. Of course, I can say My Glam ke products are literally amazing. Their products are literally so pigmented and so classy. I can say their products are really good. Okay, so I just love their products, of course. And talking about the lipstick, again it's from My Glam, and this is how it look like. So it's it's in the shade Goddess, and it's in the nude color, sort of a nude color, and this is how it look like. I'm just gonna swatch it and show to you. So it's like a proper nudish shade. If you can see, it's a really good shade. Like it's my go-to shade. Whenever I go out, of course we go out, we need a lipstick. Whether we wear mask or not, we need a lipstick, of course. If you are girls, you can understand what I'm saying. So it's a really good shade, and I have just applied this lip shade on my lips, and with this combo which I have shown like previously, this lip liner. So this is how my lips look like by applying. So yeah, I love this. I love the shade, I love the lip liner, I love both of the things. They both are really good, pigmented, and of course you are good to go with both of these shades. Of course, it's maybe you will get many shades, so I just gone with the nude color. You can just go according to your shade. Lastly, we have is this Pond's powder, and this is how it look like. And I know you may be wondering that why I'm showing this Pond's powder. Like I'll explain why I'm showing this and why it's my favorite. Because it just really, cover your under eye thing. Like if you don't have a translucent powder, just go for it, okay? You don't have to invest on that also, okay? Because it just really work. Why you want to invest in like 600 or 700 rupees when you are getting your work in just 20 or 50 rupees? Like, it's a good option, right? So just go for it. What you have to do is you have to just apply it like a translucent powder. Just take a powder on your hands and then just apply it like this. Just keep that powder for like 30 to 40 seconds and then just rub it off with the brush. You can also keep it for 1 minute if you want, and yep, you're good to go. Your eyes will be setted like really good. I have just used this hack. I mean, I'm just using this hack from I can say 4 months and above now. So it's a foolproofed by me, worth it. You can just go for it. You can just try this hack. Yeah, just try it at least once and you will get to know that how does it work. Not only this powder, you can take any face powder and you can just do that thing and it will really work. So yep, that is it about today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope these products were helpful for you. And if yes, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends, families and loved ones. And yep, that is it about the things I've been loving in the month of May. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Until then, bye, take care.